Good morning, this is Doug from Enormous Mobile Specialties here today with a 2012 Volvo XC70 cross country. We have installed a backup camera to interface with the factory display screen radio. And not only does it display on the radio, but it gives us a split screen image that also incorporates the vehicle's factory backup sensors. So before, when you used to put this vehicle into reverse, you had a little image pop up on the radio that would give you your distance to where the bumpers were, front and rear. We have installed a camera and interfaced it with that system and the screen. So if we put the vehicle into reverse, we now have a camera image, and on the right there you'll see the picture of the Volvo with the backup and front-facing sensors. So as I go backwards here in our parking lot, we can see the screen image, but we will also see, once I start to get close to this obstacle behind us, that on the right there, the factory sensors are going to pick up the obstacle and alert me how close I'm getting to it, as well as, oh, there it goes. You see on the bottom right there, I now am in the green on my camera lines, which is a reference to how far away I am. And as I get closer, we're going to notice that the beeps are going to get louder and more rapid. So, still in the green, but we're coming up on the yellow there. So I'm really close, and you can see on the right there how the sensors have also picked up and gotten closer to the bumper. Now I'm going to put it back in drive, and we're just going to go right back to radio, like that. Now, what is also unique about this system is that it will allow us to watch the rear camera while we're in motion. So, right now I am in drive, and if I simply press this button down on the radio that is blank, hasn't done anything until today, till we interface with that screen, you can now see I am in drive, not backing up, and I can view what's behind me. So if you're towing a little trailer, or if you want to see who's behind you, maybe riding you a little bit, you can do that. And then if we want to hit the button, we can put it right back to the radio again. As you can see in drive, hit the button, right back to our radio. And then of course when I put it back in reverse, like that, gives me my reverse image. And then also the audible beeps and image of the sensors on the right hand side there. If you have any questions about this installation, visit us at enormous.net.